What's up, Jaguars? This is Coach Foster with PE Online. Hope you guys are having a good day. And what we're doing now is we are working on and this is me. So now you can see me and the PowerPoint. Haven't done this for a while, but glad to be back. I'm going to point to the words I'm reading. The title of our lesson today is Basketball Sock Frenzy Challenge. Okay? And it's for October 22nd, October 23rd. Some of you are having me on one day, some on the other. All right? So what we're doing now is our unit is throwing and fitness. So there's 2 units, which you'll see in just a minute why. Our standards are number 1, motor skills, number 2, applies knowledge, number 3, achieve and maintain a healthy level of fitness. Our learning target is to work on your basketball skills and have fun. And our higher order thinking question is, what did you do to be successful today? All right. Now, the materials needed, which I'm going to have you go get while I wait, so you're going to want to pause the video, is a sock ball, which is simply a rolled up pair of socks, okay, which we've used before. And you, of course, any of these you can get with your parents to help you with these, to help you get these, or any adult you're with right now to get these things, okay? So this is the first thing you need. Second thing is 2 chairs, which I have back here behind me. Any kind of chairs that you want to use. It could even be a couch or just any chairs. And 2 containers. Now I have these crates like we use in the gym, okay? But you can use anything like we've used before. It could be a box, it could be a basket, it could be a laundry basket, anything. Sometimes kids shoot into their backpacks, whatever you want to do. But you're going to want to put these crates, 1 crate on one chair, 1 crate on the other chair. So I'm going to take this crate back and put it on this chair, okay? So go ahead and pause the video and go get these materials. Once again, sock ball, 2 chairs, and 2 containers, and then start the video again after you have done that. So I'll just wait while you pause the video and go get these materials. All right, I'm assuming you paused the video, you went and got the materials, so we're going to keep going. All right, thank you for going and getting those things. All right, let's practice. How to shoot. Let's practice together, okay? So if you've been playing a lot, it's still good to practice, but if you're new to basketball, we're going to shoot this sock ball the same way we would shoot a basketball. So we're not just playing a fun game today, we are working on our basketball skills, which will be great, okay? So I'm going to go over the steps, and then I'm actually going to do it, and I want you to do it with me. You're going to put the ball in your dominant hand, which for me is my right hand, so I'm doing this, and then the other hand supports the ball. So I've got the ball in my dominant hand, and the other hand I just put under it so I don't drop it, okay? Which is really important with a basketball, but it's good to practice with a sock ball as well. And then you raise the ball up like this, okay? So you raise up the ball. So you got it down here when you pick it up. Now I've got it up here ready to shoot, okay? And then you let me get it further away. It says let go with your supporting hand. And let me go ahead and then use your wrist to shoot. So I'm going to go ahead and make myself bigger so you can see and we can do this together, okay? All right, so like I said, the way that we shoot is we've got whichever hand you shoot with, put the sock ball in that hand, and just put your other hand under it to support it. Raise it up, okay? It's ready to shoot, which is good up here, but so if you're playing a real game, person on defense won't be able to block it as easily. And you let go right at the last second before you shoot with your supporting hand, and then you use your wrist to just flip it in like that. And there went my ball. So I hope that you did that as well. And of course, you can practice this as many times as you need to before you actually play the game. That's kind of up to you and the grown-up that you're with, how much practice you need, okay? Let's go to our next slide. All right, now we get to play the game. How to play the game. Watch me as I demonstrate the game. Okay, so you're going to put your chairs 10 feet apart. You're going to stand between one chair and shoot behind one chair and shoot at the other. You're going to give yourself a point if it goes in, and then you're going to side shuffle, which is the defensive basketball position, so we're learning to play defense as well, to the other chair, and then you shoot behind the other chair. Give yourself a point if it goes in, and then you would side shuffle, just continue in the same way like that. So I'm going to show you for a few times how to do it for about 1 minute, and then I'll tell you what to do next, okay? So I'm going to make myself big and show you how to play, okay? So just watch me for a minute, and you're almost ready to play, okay? So whenever I say go, whenever I'm ready to start, I'm going to stand behind one chair. It doesn't matter which one, but I'm behind one chair that has this container in it, and I'm shooting at the box that has the other container. It went in, yay! So now I've got 1 point. So now, not bad, I'm supposed to side shuffle to that other chair. Side shuffle is your defensive position, so we're going like this, okay? Now I get behind the other chair, trying to shoot it in. No, so I still only have one, because I missed, all right? Boy, Coach keeps forgetting. If you forget, this is good to remember. Side shuffling to the other chair. Now, I shoot again. Oh, no, see, I missed again. That's how that goes. Now, what you might discover in the game, so I'm going to side shuffle back to that chair, okay? I might discover that that's too hard, so I want to push this chair forward, and now maybe I can hit the shot. Boom! That's how that goes, okay? So I side shuffle back to that chair. Now I found a good distance for me. I got 2 points. Boom! Side shuffle. Now I've got 3 points, and you just keep playing like that, okay? So that's how that goes. So you may find that it's too far and then you want to get closer, okay? So what I want you to do now, I want you to play this game for about, I would say 35 minutes. That sounds long. Of course you can take a break, whatever. So we'll say 30. Play this game about 30 minutes. So you're going to want, and of course you're going to want to get the grown-up that you're with to help you keep track of time. So grown-ups and students, we're going to pause the video now, play the game for 30 minutes, and then push play on the video, and I'll tell you about the last part of our lesson, okay? So pause the video now and play the game. All right, I'm assuming that you've paused the video, you played for 30 minutes. So how many points did you get? Okay, good job. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look at our higher order thinking question, and then we will say goodbye. So what we'll do now, I've already told you to play the game. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at our HOTS question, which means higher order thinking skills, question of the day. What did you do to be successful today? Okay? So one of the things I did was I made the chairs closer, okay? And then I was able to hit that shot, and of course I was using the shot. But I want you to think about, what did you do? What I was trying to say is I used the way that I just talked about the method of shooting, but I want you to talk to the grown-up that you're with about what you did to be successful today. So take about 5 minutes to do that, and then check your time, and that'll be the end of the lesson. And then just go ahead and do whatever your teacher said to do next, if the time is right. Make sure the time is right. If you're a little early, then give your teacher whatever amount of time she needs, okay? All right, good job, boys and girls, and I'll see you next time for online PE.